name Investec first appeared on the scene in 1976, and we became a bank in 1980. At that time, there were 8 of us who used to sit around the table. We listed in 1986 on the Johannesburg Stock Exchange. We started expanding internationally in 1992. We have 10,000 people around the world from the original 8. So we've made, great strides in building our brand both globally and in South Africa from just a small entrepreneurial boutique.
We are first a human environment and second a corporation. That means that if you work here, you've got to come as yourself, an open and honest individual presence, not hiding behind titles and rank and degrees and those kinds of things. You come as you. That's why we're looking for real human beings to work in the environment, because we want our clients to engage real human beings. If you can, you'll fit right in.
In the online banking space specifically, we've got automation testers, we've got business analysts, and we've got 6 Java developers. You end up doing development across different technologies. So you'll do Java scripting, you'll end up being involved in configuration of queues. It's split into 2 focus areas. My team specifically focuses on an application called Corporate Cash Manager. Basically takes care of that application, everything about it, from the database all the way through to the front end of the application. We are looking to grow the team a bit more in light of the demand in the space for more work to be done. What's so fantastic about working at Investec and why you'd want to join a development team here, everybody's got an opinion and they're not afraid to share it. It doesn't matter whether you come in as a grad or as someone with 20 years worth of experience. You can be challenged by anyone in the room, and that's what I love about working here. You're constantly learning. I no longer punt that a person should specifically just know Java. So the developer roles evolved over the years to being something beyond that. We don't just look for people who come in and want to sit at their desks and code all the time, but people who are willing to be involved in the entire system delivery lifecycle. So it's a lot of interaction between the business analysts, the testers, the automation testers, as well as stakeholders, business stakeholders. In terms of your technical ability and in terms of your experience, it's valuable to have some form of formal education or training in the space, but it's not a prerequisite. I think if you come in with the right attitude and the relevant experience, I think that's a lot more impactful and valuable. And if you come in with the right attitude, geez, it's fantastic. You need to be passionate, you need to have the right attitude, you need to be willing to work with the people alongside you really well. You must be open to pair programming. That's one thing that I've learned within this organization. You need to be able to share ideas and sit alongside someone and work with them, another developer, an analyst, a tester, as I mentioned previously. But yeah, collaboration is a huge part of what we do, and that's how you learn.